Today I had the opportunity to use the tool called Kahoot with a teacher. I've been wanting to use this website for a while, and I had the perfect opportunity today. Kahoot is like a question answering system. It's a website, and then the students can answer the questions using iPads, Chromebooks, anything, any device that has a web browser. It's also kind of a game-based learning type activity, and so it gives the students points based on how fast they answer the questions, and kind of an exciting way for students to get involved. One reason that I chose to use Kahoot is I noticed like sometimes during math teachers are asking questions and you see like a handful of kids who are answering questions and the rest are not really paying attention. So I was thinking, if everyone was using Kahoot, that might engage more students and give them opportunity to show what they know, and it's a great formative assessment tool for the teacher. This particular teacher was doing math in small group rotations, which was perfect because sometimes when you have too many students on one website, it tends to bog down the network or it causes the system to crash. So we did it in small groups, and that seemed to work well. We only had a few students who were kicked out during their time. Let me just go and demonstrate quickly what Kahoot can do. So I've entered in the mental math exercises, and then the teacher thought, you know what, let's go ahead and add some multiplication and division facts because that was basically the lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and launch. It goes through a little time, has to think a little bit, and then over here on the side this is what the students would do on their device. They would enter in the game PIN and hit enter, and then I'll put my nickname in and I'll join the game. And it's ready to go. So your students will show up there, and I can start. It does a little thinking time. And first question, finish the pattern, 12, 16, or 20. What comes next? And then students, notice on their screen they don't have the answers. They have to look down here on the main screen or on the projector to see what the possible answers are. And so the correct answer would be 24, so they click on the corresponding symbol. It says correct, and then it'll show how many got it right, or how many got it wrong, and then next it'll show a point leader. And it only shows like the top 5, and students were really motivated by that. One thing that worked particularly well is the teacher did not dwell on the screen. She quickly moved on, but the students, even as she moved to the next question, students kind of saw where they were at, and they would get excited and were really engaged. So it's a great tool. I would recommend using it more in small groups unless you have a really robust network. Yeah, not really dwelling on that scoreboard, but allowing students to just have fun with it as well. It's called go to Get Kahoot for the teacher, and then the students go to kahoot.it, and they will be able to log in with their PIN.